Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is United Nations Pact for the Future. The United Nations General Assembly has adopted the Pact for the Future during its 2024 summit. Russia and 6 other nations opposed the fact, but they could not prevent its passage. The pact aims to make the United Nations more relevant and effective in addressing global issues. The summit saw heightened debate about UN reforms, multilateralism, and global governance. Key features of the Pact. The Pact pledges action to achieve the UN's Sustainable Development Goals and commitments under the Paris Agreement. It focuses on addressing conflict root causes and accelerating human rights commitments, including women's rights. It includes 2 annexes: Global Digital Impact, focused on AI regulation, and the Declaration on Future Generations, securing well being for future generations. The document calls for reforms in peacemaking operations, nuclear disarmament, and support for International Court of Justice. Criticism and opposition. Russia led the opposition, criticizing the lack of transparency and input from non-Western nations in drafting the pact. Russia proposed amendments emphasizing national sovereignty and opposing external interference in domestic affairs, which were rejected. Opposition countries including Iran, North Korea, Syria argued that the pact favored Western interests and lacked specific commitments. Despite opposition, key players from Africa and Latin America supported the pact, ensuring its adoption. Shortcomings of the pact. The pact makes ambitious promises but lacks concrete steps for implementation. Many commitments, such as ending hunger and achieving gender equality, are seen as unrealistic without clear plans. Critics point out that the document fails to address the ongoing wars in Gaza and Ukraine and provides no strategy for enforcing its mandates. UN Security Council reform remains a major challenge, with the pact only offering broad promises of better representation for Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country led the opposition to the UN's Pact for the Future? Russia, China, India, or Mexico? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.